Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use hashtag suggestions on TikTok. Okay, so if you just go ahead and open up TikTok, let me get out of here. Okay, and then you click onto the plus button. Okay, by clicking the plus, you just want to basically create something. So I'm going to create a quick 15-second TikTok video. Okay, I'll just make it 5 seconds. Okay, perfect. And then you just want to click onto the plus. Okay, once you've done that, you want to click on to next. Okay, and basically now you add your description. So for an example, if this was about affiliate marketing, you would push hashtag, and then you would type affiliate marketing. Okay, and as I type affiliate marketing, okay, let me just spell it right, marketing. Okay, you can see it right there, but now you get all these hashtag suggestions. Okay, so affiliate marketing has 32.7 million posts, but I wouldn't actually go for such a broad hashtag of just affiliate marketing. What you want to do is actually use the suggestions right here, and you want to go for something like affiliate marketing for beginners with just 2.4 million posts, and then the one below that is affiliate marketing tips with just 382.5k posts. Okay, those will be better. So what you can do is you can just select that, and then we'll go into there. And then that will be a hashtag. You can repeat that process for as many hashtags as you want, and then you can go ahead and post your TikTok video. Okay, so if this did help you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.